Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Bunch of people around the world use WhatsApp as their primary communication. Probably you will comment that I'm using a iMessage a lot and it is always on my wrist. Just like iMessage, how about keeping a WhatsApp on your wrist? Hello all, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today in this video I'll share a way to install WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. Excited? I know you are, so let's get started. To install WhatsApp on your iPhone, you will require to install a third-party app, WatchApp 2 for WhatsApp. So download this application from the App Store. Wait for some time to get it installed on your iPhone. Once app is installed on your iPhone, you will require to install an app on your Apple Watch 2. Open WatchApp on your iPhone, check for WatchApp 2 app install. Now app is installed on your iPhone and Apple Watch, and you are a few steps away to view and reply WhatsApp messages from your Apple Watch. Open WhatsApp app on your Apple Watch. It will show a QR code. Now open WhatsApp on your iPhone and head over to WhatsApp settings, link device, and from here select an option to link a new device. Enter a passcode to unlock and scan QR code from your Apple Watch. And boom! Now you can view WhatsApp messages on your Apple Watch. Hey, let me hold you here for a minute to share a few things about this application. This is a free version of app I have just installed, and it will only show 10 recent WhatsApp chat. To view all the messages or all the chats, you will require to opt for a paid version, and that will cost you $2.99 for a year, or you can pick an option to unlock it forever at approx $6.99. And along with that, many of you will comment that, what about the security? Is it safe? The answer is yes. WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption and it's safe. And if you feel or wish to revoke access, just head over to WhatsApp settings and unlink the device. From that moment, WhatsApp has no more access to read your chats. But hey, don't do that. Like, I have not shared a way how you can reply to individual chat. Let me show you how you can do that. Look forward to the individual chat or a group chat. Scroll all the way down and you will notice 3 different options to reply. One with the help of a keyboard. Second with quick replies. And third with the voice messages. Let me show you a simple way to reply via keyboard. This keyboard reminds me of Nokia mobile phones, like we require to press one key more than one time to type one character. And now these days we are habitual of Kotri keyboard. To reply, type the message and pick the emoji if you wish to add to the message and hit on send button. And that is so simple but time taking way. Not to worry, the next way of quick reply will save your time. As of now, there are only 2 options for a quick reply, yes or no. Not to worry, we can add a quick reply from the app on iPhone. Open WhatsApp app on your iPhone, head over to the quick replies from the bottom menu, tap on add reply, type the message, and tap on back button to save this reply. Now on your Apple Watch, you can view that quick reply. Select it and it's done. That was easy and quick too. Let me show you another quick and easy way to reply a personalized message, and that is with a voice message. Select the third option with a mic and record your voice message. Now tap on send and it's done. Congratulations, now you know a way to keep WhatsApp always on your wrist. Great job, Nikhil, great job. Hey, in exchange for sharing this tip, I need your favor by taking 2 actions. Number 1, share this video with your friend via message or WhatsApp and show off what a piece of a gem you found on YouTube. And second, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and along with that, press the bell icon so you will never miss such great tips from us. Thank you so much for taking this to action. Now allow me to say goodbye. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.